I made an actual short film, a real story, a real character, cinematic scenes, and all of it is AI, and all of it was free. I'll show you exactly how. The story, the character, the world in Google Flow, the acting in Seedance, and you'll see the whole film later on. This is the closest AI has gotten to a real movie, made from a browser for $0. Stick around, the twist at the end genuinely gave me chills. We've done clips, commercials, long videos. Now we're making a full short film. It's called The Last Signal. An astronaut stranded on a dying alien planet who discovers she isn't alone. 2 tools, Google Flow for the world and Seedance 1.5 on BytePlus for the acting and emotion. I'll break down every step and show you the matching scene right after. Let's build a movie. Before we start, I made a free PDF guide with the full workflow, every prompt, and the exact steps for this whole thing. It's completely free in the description, grab it so you can follow along. And subscribe, this is the best one in the series. Every film starts with 2 things, a simple story and a consistent character. Keep the story visual with barely any dialogue, that's AI's weak spot. And lock your character with a 3-view reference sheet so she looks identical in every single shot. I made Claude write me every animation block so it stays consistent and doesn't look different every generation. 1 reference sheet is what keeps a character consistent across 20+ generated clips. Skip it and your movie falls apart. So here's how the film opens. That world, all Google Flow. It's the best free tool for environments and long, consistent, establishing shots. I prompt the setting, alien planet, twin moons, drifting dust, cinematic, and it builds the whole atmosphere with native sound. For anything that's about the place, wide shots, the journey, the scenery, Flow is your engine. Micro summary. Google Flow builds your world and wide shots. Watch it carry the journey scene. But wide shots don't make you feel anything. For the emotional moments, the acting, the close-ups, the dialogue, I switched to Seedance 1.5 on BytePlus. It's the best free tool for Hollywood-style character acting and lip sync. I prompt her recording a final message, tears in her eyes, and write her line right into the prompt. Seedance syncs the lips and nails the film grain emotion. Then we use the end frame trick I showed you in the video before to make the clips into a long movie. Last step, it's just clips until you edit it like a film. Stitch the scenes in any free editor, add AI music for the score, layer sound design, and cut on the emotion, hold the quiet moments, cut faster as tension builds. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the reveal. Here it is.
Where am I? What happened? The ship! It's gone! Orion 4 to command. I'm on the surface. Requesting status check and damage assessment. Over. Integrity breach and hip seal. Pressure dropping slowly. I need to get out of here.
I am sorry, Mom. If anyone can hear this, I made it. The ship didn't. I don't know if I'm coming home.
Almost there. Just a little further. I can see it. Keep going. I've reached the summit. Scanning. Wait. There's a light. What is that? I see them. They're real. I'm coming home. I've never seen anything like it. It's breathtaking. I've never seen anything like this. What are they? I'm ready. Initiating contact. Contact made. Data transmitting. Incredible. It's alive. The energy, it's overwhelming. I've never seen anything like this. This is unbelievable. Incredible. I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Approach, child of the stars. Do not be afraid.
I don't understand. Are you real?
Once your film's done, you want it everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels. Posting it to each one manually is hours. So today's sponsor Fits, repurpose.io automates it. Publish once and it reformats and pushes your video to every platform on autopilot so your film actually gets seen. Pick where your content comes from and where you want it to go. Links in the description, free to start. Now, go watch the whole thing. So that's a full AI short film. Story, a locked character, worlds in Google Flow, acting in Seedance, all edited to music, made free from a browser. Tell me in the comments if you enjoyed the movie I showcased in this video. I think it looks great for being free and generating so quick. Grab the free PDF with the full workflow in the description, and the first video in this series is right here. Because if AI can make a short film this year, imagine next year. I will link a video I think you will enjoy as well. See you there.